Hello, everybody. So, I've been telepathically picking up on a lot of manipulation. Okay, so I already mentioned this in my class, but I want to just go over it again just to clear it up and just to show you what this actually is because, again, we have a real education. We are not getting conditioned by social media and all these weird things that are not true, okay? We have a real education. We're not just memeing, we're not just joking around. We actually know our stuff, okay? So, the argument was why would it matter what I do? It's my life. I can do what I want. It doesn't matter. Why would it matter? And they're like getting all they're acting like a complete baby about privacy and stuff. Listen, let's go over this again. Why would it matter what you're doing even if it is in private? Why does it matter? Because everybody is connected. Now, I wasn't hearing these arguments in a messenger or in a comment section. I was hearing these arguments with telepathy. Now, how would telepathy even be possible? How would that make any sense? How would that make any sense? If it doesn't matter, if privacy is such a big deal, but you're still trying to argue using telepathy, how would that make any sense? Now, how is telepathy real? Remember in class, I showed you this Christ consciousness grid, right? So, this is the thing. This is one of the things. There's actually two things that connect all people, right? So this is going to be the Bermuda Triangle. This is the pyramids of Egypt. Or maybe this one, I don't know, I don't remember. But this is also Stonehenge, and there are plenty more like it that create this grid on the map of Earth. See? Now, that is the thing that connects all people. So even if you are in privacy, your actions and your decisions still affect everybody else. That is how telepathy is possible. That is how everything is connected. That is how people are connected. So, yes, it matters. What you're eating matters. What you're feeling matters. This is why I'm vegan. This is why I meditate. This is why I cleanse my energy, because I stay on top of my own energy, because I understand that it will impact other people around me, because I am being considerate, I am being responsible. Also, another important thing that you need to remember is that I really am careful of not feeding demons. You do not want to feed dark forces. And the reason why, and this goes back to the argument, why does it matter what I do in privacy? Listen, if you are feeding demons, that means you're making them stronger and that they have more of an ability to go and bother other people. Demons works on like a collective consciousness scale. Collective consciousness, remember the map? We are all connected. Now, we are all connected. We are all connected. So if my energy is bad, it brings other people down with me. Demons also work on a collective consciousness scale. So if you're making those demons stronger, they have more of an ability to go bother other people. You need to be considerate of others. Like when you're driving, you need to share the road. You need to wait for other people to pass. You need to stop at the stop sign. Share the road. You have to be considerate. It is your responsibility. Thank you.